Hi guys, welcome back again for today's tutorial. Today, I will be teaching you how to create Love SMS app using codes in Appcreator24. It's gonna be good, and you can make up to $25 in a week when you monetize it. Then how do we go about it? We're gonna start right now, but before we start, I would love to beg you of something please. My effort is to make sure you cash out using Google AdMob by helping you to know how you can create mobile app. I post video here for you to watch and gain more. All this are free. All I need from you now is to subscribe to my channel. It will make me put more effort to teach you more. Because as I make video and I didn't see any progress in subscription, it makes me think down. Please subscribe now. Hit subscribe button now as I'm talking to you, please. I'd like to introduce to you that we will be learning coding in this channel from henceforth. The first app we will be creating is Love SMS app. And also attach our admob ads and monetize the app. The reasons for this announcement is that we are going to build the app from scratch till the end in the video. That's why you need to subscribe, because it's gonna be crazy tips, as we use HTML5 coding to create the app. Please, if like we do here is helpful, try to subscribe now. Make sure you following. Thanks.